Hello student, I came in front of you with a new video. Name of the video is fuel feed pump of diesel engine. Before this video we have seen already petrol fuel feed pump. Now we are looking fuel feed pump of diesel. It is a very simple. This type of fuel feed pump is used in the diesel engine. Why? Where it is fitted? How it works? That we have to see today. First, this type of fuel feed pump is operated by engine camshaft gear. Engine camshaft gear gives drive to the fuel injection pump, and on the fuel injection pump, this type of pump is fitted, or it locates on the feed pump. Just you see here, what is the construction of the fuel feed pump? Fuel feed pump, just you see here, inside the fuel feed pump, this is a complete body. In this body, there are two valves. This is the inlet valve, this is the outlet valve. Inlet valve connection is connected with the diesel tank, and outlet is connected with the fuel filter. So what it works, for what purpose it is given on the diesel fuel feed pump? It sucks the fuel from the tank. It sucks the fuel and diesel from the tank and draws into the fuel feed pump. Draws into the fuel filter. So this is a retainer spring and a return spring. This is a spindle and this is a plunger. Plunger is operated by the eccentric lobe of the camshaft of a fuel injection pump. Fuel injection pump camshaft rotates and eccentric lobe rotates. That's why this plunger moves up and down or to and fro. When plunger comes down, so spindle operates to the spring and compresses to the spring into the pump. So what happens? This volume is reduced with the help of the spindle. Whatever is inside the fuel or diesel, that is the compressed, and after compressing the diesel, both side pressure will increase, but intake valve or inlet valve closes, and with the pressure outlet valve opens and fuel goes out to the fuel filter. Afterwards what happens? When eccentric globe goes outward side, at that time with the help of this spring, return spring, spindle goes up and vacuum creates here, and due to the vacuums, what happens? This valve opens. This valve, that means inlet valve opens and fuel is sucked into the pump cause of vacuum. Again what happens? When plunger comes down, spindle comes down, compresses the spring as well as volume also inside the whatever will be the this volume, that means diesel will be here, that is compressed. After compressing the diesel, both sides try to goes, but intake valve or inlet valve closes and outlet valve automatically opens because of this position is different. So this is valve, small spring, this is outlet valve, black colors, and this is a spring and when compresses the diesel, at that time this valve closes and outlet valve opens, and what happens, this diesel goes out. Okay, so this pressure will be near about 2.1 to 2.5 kg per centimeter square pressure is created there. Okay, so what is the use of the actually fuel feed pump? Fuel feed pump sucks the fuel from the diesel tank and draws into the fuel filter and provide it to the filter. This is the worst. It is a very simple function. Okay, if you like this, if you understood properly, then you like this video, share as well as subscribe without forget. Thank you very much.